The talk of Sioux Falls, 1140 KSOO.
With the 4th of July fast approaching, Sioux Falls Fire Inspector Tyler Churchma offers these fireworks tips.
Always have a garden hose, bucket of water around just in case something does start on fire. We suggest wearing safety glasses when lighting fireworks.
And make sure you keep the kids away from the fireworks.
We always suggest just having an adult light the fireworks and have the kids at least 15 to 20 feet away to watch the show.
And just as important, don't light fireworks while in your hands.
If it has a fuse, it's put on the ground and lit.
In Sioux Falls, Police Department Public Information Officer Sam Clemens says most fireworks are not legal in the city.
By ordinance, anything that has an audible report, a projectile, or launching component is not permitted. And if you kind of think about the fireworks, usually that includes most of the fun stuff. So we're limited to snakes, sparklers, smoke bombs, anything that really doesn't make noise.
If someone is violating the ordinance, Clemens says you can notify police by calling 367-7000. I'm Jerry Damon.